Short sellers are terrified of AMC stock closing above $6 per share. What happened last time we closed above $6 per share? Well, AMC proceeded to rally exponentially. And it does every time that we close above $6 per share. This might be a reason why on Friday, AMC stock was above $6 per share in pre-market, following better than expected earnings and a smaller loss than what was expected. But as soon as you open for trading, AMC stock got bid all the way down. You were down to as low as $5.60 per share. And then AMC rallied intraday to $6.11 per share. And then you got pushed back down. So let's talk about some factors this week that could push AMC stock above $6 per share and exactly why shorts are so terrified of this $6 level. Ladies and gentlemen, if this is your first time to the channel, I don't know where you have been, or maybe you just acquired an AMC position, or you are looking to inquire on getting an AMC position. And I think right now is a very bullish time for AMC stock, but keep in mind, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a financial planner. I'm not your dad. I'm not your cousin, not your grandpa, not your grandma, not your uncle, not your brother, not your cousin, not your second cousin, not your third cousin, not nobody that's going to tell you what to do with your positions. I sit here and drink coffee out of a pink mug. Come on. Don't listen to me. Okay. Now, let's get into all of this information. If you have not already, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. If you have done those things and you want to take it a step further and come trade with me live in real time every single day, live stock market action, we're trading options, we're trading futures, we're trading stocks, we're trading crypto, we're trading all of that when those opportunities present themselves. Link down below in the description of this video. I currently do have a trade on AMC as well as multiple other stocks, and we're excited about this next upcoming week because you got a lot more earnings, and earnings season is the best season, baby. So let's get into what is this situation around $6 per share with AMC. So $6 per share. We've been working our way up to this level. The low that you hit for AMC since this whole situation started in January of 2021 was $3.77 per share. You hit that on January 6th. 2023. And then you subsequently rallied to about $6.57 per share. You came back down, you hit a low of $5 per share, and then you rallied to $7.37 per share, came back down, hit a low of $4.30 per share, rallied all the way up to about $8.57 per share, and then you came down. And now we're back on this uptrend. And it looks like $6 per share is a pretty sticky level, meaning that when you get above or hold above $6 per share, you tend to rally exponentially. Now, it might be hard to see on this chart, so let's make it a little simpler. Let's go ahead and draw a horizontal line at $6 per share so you guys can see the importance of how AMC reacts above $6 per share. Let's actually take some of these moving averages off too to make it a little simpler. So this blue line right here, take that one out. Let's go ahead and take that one out. I want to keep the most relevant ones up here though, and probably keep the lines we have already up there now. So this line right here is $6 per share. What do you notice about this line? Well, once you hit this line, if it serves as support, history has showed us you tend to rally off of it, right? You came down, you hit $5.96 per share. Call it $6 per share as a rough support level. And then you rally back, and you rallied from $6 per share to $17 per share in the course, oh, wrong line, in the course of 59 trading days, which sounds like a lot, but in reality, that's like a blink of an eye, right? You rallied over 160% from that $6 level to $17 per share. What happened back here? you came down. You want to get up here? You came down, right? You broke under $6 for a second. Your French fries? They're over there. You came down. You hit $6 per share, right? You bobbed really between $6 per share and $5.50 per share. You broke back above $6 per share, and then you rallied from the break of $6 per share to the high, which was about 13 trading days later. You rallied about 50% from that break. So another strong rally. And then you subsequently, like I said, you went down to about $4 per share. From the break of $6 per share, you a little bit got rejected right here, but the velocity really starts to get higher above $6 per share. Even this move in the course of about 1 trading day, 1.5 trading days, was about a 9% move once you broke $6 per share, going to $6.50 per share. What happened back here in February of 2023? Well, you broke $6 per share in 3 trading days. You rallied over 22%. From that break of $6 per share, going from $6 per share to $7.35 per share. A pretty sizable move, especially when some of the options in AMC are implying like a 5% move in a month. If you get a 20, 30, 40, 50+% move, you're going to pay out. You're going to get a nice payout off of those options, right? Now, back here in March of 2023, you obviously hit the low at about $4.50 per share. And then you started to rally. And during this period, we knew about the split after earnings. So from this point this way, we knew about this reverse split. We knew about this dilution. So we really haven't had a chance to kind of get to $6 per share until now, since this whole court situation has started. We knew of this proposal coming, right? But then you got actual, the March 14th, the actual vote day, right here in AMC stock dropped 15%. Ever since then, we have not had a chance to retest $6 per share. But even back here in March, you rallied in the course of 5 trading days from the break of $6 per share. You rallied from $6 per share to $8.55 per share, showing a rally of about 41.5%. Well, now if you look at what's currently happening with AMC stock, it's been very bullish. Yeah, it's been up and down. It's been back and forth a lot. Trust me, I get it. But you have been in this bullish trajectory, right? It's very clear. AMC stock is one of the most, in the most bullish patterns that you've seen in a very long time. That's like a literal fact. You can see this on the hammer candlestick, right? We called this out extensively here on the channel. From the low to where we currently even sit now, you're still up 28%. From the high that we just saw on Friday, above $6 per share, you're up 31%. So there is a very significant importance around that $6 per share level. And when you consider these short positions, in which we'll talk about here in just a moment, a lot of them for this trade, I mean, we knew about this trade since like January of 2023, right? Okay, well, what has AMC stock done since then? It's mainly been roughly in line with where we are now. I mean, but a lot of shorts have taken on short positions at the low points. They've taken on short positions at $5 per share and the $4 ranges, and a lot down here in the sub $3 range to the $4.50 range. A lot of short positions were taken in this time frame. I'm gonna go grab her a banana and we'll be right back. Now that we've established the fact that shorts have taken out short positions under $6 per share, I think that is a granite here. I think that is pretty much a well-known. Specifically under $5 per share or in the low $5 ranges is where we have seen the short interest actually spike the most. So not to mention that shorts are just down so much on their equity positions, on their short positions, above $6 per share, or really even where we are now, they've taken massive losses. The cost to borrow rates continue to be over 300%. And short sellers lost 150%, not including the equity loss just to cost to borrow fees in Q1. They've lost about $2 billion, right? Just to cost to borrow fees, not to mention the stock actually going higher and continuously going higher. Now, why is $6 per share such an important level? Like, why is it? Well, what we've seen with AMC, even going back here, I mean, you can go further back from this blue line. You broke $6 per share, found support after breaking it, and proceeded to rally a lot, right? You go back even further, right? You hit $6 per share, you take off from there, right? You break above $6 per share, you take off. This even goes back to before June of 2021. AMC stock broke above $6 per share and rallied to $44 per share on this split adjusted basis, right? I mean, let's make these candles a little bit bigger down here, right? You were at about $5 per share. A lot of resistance around $6 per share, right? Let's be real, a lot of resistance. You broke above that right here, and you rallied about 45%. You came back down, sub $6 per share, found resistance. You broke above that after earnings on May 6th, the following days after that. And from that break of $6 per share, in just the course of a really like 20 so trading days, you rallied over 1,000% from the break of $6 per share. So $6 per share has always been an important level, especially before June of 2021 when AMC really went through its first squeeze. But ever since lately, the stock has been obviously lower. It's been more and more important again. So first time AMC broke above $6 per share, the stock rallied to $20 per share. That was in January of 2021. The next time AMC stock broke above $6 per share, in what was that, March of 2021, AMC stock rallied to about, again, let me refresh myself, about $9 per share. Went under, broke above $6 per share again. It rallied about 1,000% in June of 2022 or 2021. Last time you touch after that, right? You touched $6 per share. The stock rallied from $6 per share up to about $17 per share. You touch $6 per share, stock rallied to $9 per share. You touch $6 per share, stock rallied to about $8.50 per share. And now you're back on that course yet again. So we've established shorts are down massively on their short positions. They're down massively on their cost to borrow fees, right? That is hurting their positions. Well, with this arbitrage trade, anything above $6 per share, they have to really start to hedge out their short positions, because think about everything we just said, and then let me throw in there the cost to borrow fees are at the highest levels they've been at, a consistent rate, as well as the short interest is higher than we have been at literally at all in this trade. It does not get higher than where we are currently at. And if we take a look at the short interest, that is sitting at 25.29%. You literally have not been this high. If you look at this chart on an 18-month basis, it's going straight up. Same thing with the shares out on loan. Same thing with the days to cover. Same thing with the cost to borrow fees, sitting at a trailing 3-month average of 228%. In 2021, the cost to borrow fees were like 2%, 3, 4, 5%. They were nothing close to 300%. You're also seeing about $773 million worth of short positions in AMC stock. So long story short, what you can get out of this video is if AMC stock does break above $6 per share and gets a close above $6 per share, history would suggest you could rally anywhere from 25 to 1,000%. That could literally start shorts covering on their short positions because they're massively over leveraged. They have massive short positions. They have to hedge out, or their fund could go bust if AMC stock rallies 1,000%, which in all reality could happen pretty soon. So not to give you guys your dose of hopium, hopefully this is somewhat encouraging, but be realistic with yourself as well. Odds are the stock only does rally 20 to 50%, but there is a chance that it could rally hundreds of percents above $6 per share. Very important level that I will be watching in this upcoming week. If you guys want to come watch this level with me and trade everything I trade or see what I trade in real time, never a recommendation, never a guaranteed win, never financial advice, but it can be a good tool to have nonetheless. Link down below in the description of this video. Again, I send out the trades that I make when I make them, and I give you a thesis on why I am making the trades. Some hit, some don't, some are big winners, some are losers, right? That's just the name of the game when you are trading. Hopefully more of them are winners than losers, and so far this earnings season has been full of some pretty good winners. Some losses still, but pretty good winners overall. So that is going to be it for this video. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and source your comments, questions, or concerns down below in the comment section. And the last thing that I will ask you to do is, if you guys want a Mullen video, maybe you guys remember the Mullen videos that I was making in early 2022, maybe not. Some of you guys that have been around for a long time likely do. I have a free Mullen position. I've held this position. I want to show you guys this position. I want to give you guys my thoughts and opinions on what's currently going on with Mullen stock. Is this another short squeeze in the making? Well, I want your guys' opinion. I have a poll out right now. Should we make a Mullen video? And that would be today. Go ahead and vote on that if you guys want to see that. Nonetheless, thank you guys for watching. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I will see you in the next one.